A jackal can steal a kill from animals 10 times its size, not with strength, but with strategy. Meet the jackal, the shadow predator of Africa and Asia. Jackals don't hunt alone. They form lifelong monogamous pairs, coordinating attacks with silent signals and perfect timing. While lions rule by power, jackals survive by intelligence, shadowing larger predators, waiting for any mistake. Their eerie howls aren't random. Each call is a coded message, announcing territory, summoning mates, or warning rivals from miles away. Here's the secret most people miss. Jackals are elite problem solvers. They cache food, remember locations for weeks, and adapt faster than almost any carnivore. They're also fearless parents. Both mother and father defend pups aggressively, sometimes chasing off leopards together. Even death feeds them. Jackals clean ecosystems by removing carcasses, stopping disease before it spreads. But here's the unsettling truth. As larger predators vanish, jackals are expanding quietly, stepping into empty roles. Are they survivors or the next rulers of the wild?